English. 1. Phrases for everyday conversations. Here are some everyday British phrases and their meanings. Fancy a cuppa. Translation: would you like a cup of tea? Tea is a big deal in British culture, and this phrase is often used to offer a friendly drink. I'm chuffed to bits. Translation: I'm very pleased or happy. Example: I'm chuffed to bits with my exam results. It's not my cup of tea. Translation: it's not something I enjoy or prefer. Example: watching football isn't my cup of tea. Knackered. Translation: extremely tired. Example: I'm absolutely knackered after that long day. 2. Phrases for social situations. Want to sound cool in social settings? Try these phrases. Cheeky. Translation: playful, slightly naughty, or fun. Example: let's grab a cheeky takeaway tonight. All right? Translation: hello, how are you? Note: this is more of a casual greeting rather than a genuine inquiry about your well-being. Take the mickey, or piss. Translation: to tease or mock someone. Example: stop taking the mickey out of my accent. I haven't seen you in donkey's years. Translation: I haven't seen you in a long time. 3rd. Work-related phrases. In British workplaces, you might hear these phrases. Pop over. Translation: visit quickly or briefly. Example: could you pop over to my desk for a minute? Give it a go. Translation: try something. Example: I've never baked before, but I'll give it a go. Bits and bobs. Translation: small, various things. Example: I just need to finish a few bits and bobs before I leave. Sorted. Translation: something is organized, fixed, or resolved. Example: don't worry about the tickets. It's all sorted. 4. Funny and quirky phrases. British people love humor, and these phrases often add a fun twist to their language. Bob's your uncle. Translation: and there you have it. It's done. Example: just add the eggs, mix it well, and Bob's your uncle. Over the moon. Translation: extremely happy. Example: she was over the moon with her new job. Throwing a wobbly. Translation: getting very upset or angry. Example: he threw a wobbly when his team lost. The bee's knees. Translation: something excellent or outstanding. Example: that new bakery is the bee's knees. 5 phrases for weather talk. Since the British love to talk about the weather, these phrases are essential. It's chucking it down. Translation: it's raining heavily. Example: don't forget your umbrella. It's chucking it down out there. It's a bit nippy. Translation: it's slightly cold. Example: grab a coat. It's a bit nippy this morning. The heavens have opened. Translation: it has started to rain heavily. Example: we were about to leave when the heavens opened. 6. The twist. Phrases that confuse non-Brits. Some phrases might leave you scratching your head until you learn their meaning. Keep your pecker up. Translation: stay cheerful or optimistic. Example: I know it's tough now, but keep your pecker up. Under the weather. Translation: feeling unwell. Example: I'm staying home today. I'm a bit under the weather. Put the kettle on. Translation: make some tea. Example: let's put the kettle on and have a chat. How to use these phrases. Now that you know these phrases, here's how to practice them. 1. Listen to British shows. Watch series like Downton Abbey or The Great British Bake Off. 2. Try them in conversation. Use 1 or 2 phrases in your daily chats. 3. Write a short dialogue. Create a pretend conversation using the phrases above. The big reveal. Why learn British phrases? Here's the twist. Learning British phrases isn't just about sounding cool, it's about building connections. When you use these phrases, you'll understand British humor, culture, and friendliness better. Plus, People appreciate it when you try to speak their way. It shows you're interested in their culture and willing to adapt. Final tip: stay curious and keep practicing. Don't worry if you don't get everything right the first time. British phrases are meant to be fun and lighthearted. With time, you'll not only understand them but also use them confidently. So, are you ready to give it a go? Off you pop. And remember, Bob's your uncle. Common English words for everyday use. English is a universal language, and knowing its most commonly used words can make communication smoother and more effective. Whether you're just starting to learn English or want to strengthen your skills, this guide will help you understand and use essential English words confidently. These words are simple, practical, and used in daily conversations. Let's dive in. Why are common words important? Imagine trying to express yourself without the right words. It feels frustrating, doesn't it? Knowing the most commonly used English words can 1. Make communication easier. You'll express your ideas clearly. 2. Build confidence. The more you use these words, the more fluent you'll become. 3. Help in any situation. These words work at home, school, work, or even when traveling. Now, let's start with the words you need to know. 1. Greetings and polite words. Hello. Used to greet someone. Example: hello, how are you today? Hi. A casual way to say hello. Example: hi, nice to meet you. Please. A polite way to ask for something. Example: can you pass the salt, please? Thank you. Used to show gratitude. Example: thank you for helping me. Sorry. Used to apologize. Example: I'm sorry I'm late. Excuse me. A polite way to get someone's attention. Example: excuse me, can you tell me the time? 2. Everyday actions go. To move from one place to another. Example: I need to go to school. Come. To move towards someone or a place. Example: can you come here, please? Do. To perform an action. Example: what do you want to do today? Make. To create or build something. Example: can you make a sandwich? Eat. To consume food. Example: what do you want to eat? Drink. To consume liquid. Example: I need a drink of water. 3. Descriptive words, adjectives. Good, positive or nice. Example: this book is very good. Bad, not good. Unpleasant. Example: the weather is bad today. Big, large in size. Example: that's a big house. Small, tiny in size. Example: I have a small dog. Happy, feeling joy. Example: she looks so happy today. Sad, feeling sorrow. Example: I feel sad about the news. 4th question. Words. What? Used to ask about something. Example: what is your name? Who? Used to ask about a person. Example: who is calling? Where? Used to ask about a place. Example: where do you live? When? Used to ask about time. Example: when is your birthday? Why? Used to ask for a reason. Example: why are you laughing? How? Used to ask about a method or state. Example: how are you feeling today? 5. Everyday objects. Book. Something to read. Example: I'm reading a new book. Pen. Used for writing. Example: do you have a pen? Phone. A device for communication. Example: can I use your phone? Bag. Used to carry items. Example: I left my bag at home. Chair. Something to sit on. Example: can I have a chair, please? Table. A flat surface for work or dining. Example: put the plates on the table. 6. Time words. Today. The current day. Example: what are you doing today? Tomorrow. The day after today. Example: I'll visit you tomorrow. Yesterday. The day